Meaning of infighting.
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 Infighting. The term infighting refers to conflicts or disagreements within a particular group or organization. This can manifest in various ways, including personal rivalries, power struggles, and disagreements over strategy or tactics. As a result, infighting can have negative consequences for the group or organization, such as decreased morale, lowered productivity, and damage to relationships and reputations. It can also prevent the group from achieving its goals or completing projects effectively. Therefore, it is important for individuals to work towards resolving any conflicts or disagreements in a constructive manner to prevent infighting from escalating and causing long-term harm.